doing? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, Flower! Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm surprised. Like, I'm for sure that, falling off a balcony would kill you. Also, my house is still being unpacked right now. Because of when I was evicted.
My back is now broken.
Flower, did you forget that we have a fashion show today? We have to go get ready. Yeah, I didn't want to wear my natural brown. No, my hair's not naturally brown. I meant down hair.
Well, I'm gonna change my hair and outfit when we get to the show.
Yeah, I'll probably take it down when we get to the show. Come on, we gotta get there. All right, we're here. The show's about to start. Oh my God, we're naked. What the heck? We have to do fancy. The thing is fancy holiday. What pants should I get? Something very Christmassy. How about this? Alright, now time for the hair. Alright, now for some reason that whenever I get into the game, my hair gets shaved off for some reason.
Hey, but at least we can pick out a new hair.
Yeah, but it's only a wig for some, unfortunately. I think cause I have like I don't even have my regular face on, so. Perfect. And I think I'm done for it. Flower, are you done?
No, I still have to do my face. Why do I have to do this?
Alright.
Someone's copying you?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure someone's copying me, Flower. I see her.
What do they look like?
The exact same I do, except a little different skirt and a little different hair.
Oh, that's me.
Oh. Oh, I did not know that was you.
Yeah, it's me.
Sorry.
Oh, I need to get accessories with my outfit.
Hey, we're twinsies, by the way.
Yes, we are. I'm looking for some good accessories.
Except my hair's a little different and my face is different.
Yep.
Oh, a scarf. I'm gonna get that. Perfect.
Mine's
Wait.
Like mine's
I don't think that scarf is looking that good.
Mine's like a Valentine's Day theme. Ooh, red bag. Oh, I can't get the red bag.
Mine's like a Christmas theme.
Oh, so we have different ones. Oh, I want this tree. Can I get it?
Alright, we have 57 seconds left. Alright, it's about to start. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Time's up!
Let's go!
Ooh, where are we? We're in the Winter Wonderland. Alright, I wonder who's gonna get up first.
Welcome to the Fashion Baby Show.
time to vote for the best outfits. Oh, it's me!
Ooh, I give it a 5 star.
Yeah! Yeah!
So cute.
Thank you.
Ooh, I want to give her a 4.
Yeah, I'll give her a 4.
Oh, me and her both have the same shirt.
Yeah, but different skirts. Oh, it's you next! Of course, I'm going to give you a 5 star. You look amazing. Flower, you look amazing.
Thank you. Oh, I want to give her a 3.
Yeah, I think this is supposed to be like a St. Patrick's Day kind of look.
I like it. It's a 3.
Yeah, well, that's what we'll give her.
It's very beautiful.
What the?
I think they were still working on the outfit. So I'm going to give them a 3 too.
Yeah. Because they didn't put much effort because they're probably still working on it.
Next,
She kind of looks similar to you.
I want to give her a 2.
Yeah, kind of looks similar to you, but different at the same time.
Yep. 2.
Who's that? Annabelle?
Ooh, that's cute. I give it a 4.
Yeah, we'll give her a 4.
Everyone's going on the heart shirt.
Yeah, I feel like I'm the only one who did Christmas.
I think so. Someone did St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah. I wonder who's gonna
The
win.
winners are.
Oh, you're in it.
I'm up there.
Unfortunately, I didn't place.
Aw. Hi.
Oh, I'm right after you.
Oh, you're in 4th place and I'm 3rd.
Yeah, Flower. You're okay. Now we're back in our regular outfits.
I feel bad for you. Yep. Oh, and our hair's not done.
Yeah, I got my kitty ears back, and our heart necklaces are back.
I'm gonna sit over.
Apparently, magic put our necklaces back on. Do you think so? I hear people fighting in the back. Under the sea!
Ooh, under the sea.
Oh, I thought you had pink streaks in your hair because of the pink light behind us.
No.
Does it kind of look like me? Does it kind of the same for me?
Yeah, it does. Oh.
Wonder what it is. So it's under the sea. We have to do this.
I'm still at the main lobby.
What? Alright. So that round was a flop, right, Flower?
Yep.
Why? I don't get why they just like shave off our hair when we spawn in the rounds.
I'm doing the
Woohoo! Dancing time, dancing time.
okay, now I stop dancing. But I cannot stop dancing. You cannot stop dancing. You dance forever.
I cannot dance. I cannot.
You can't stop.
Santa's helper. We got this. We got this, Flower.
Yep, and we got this,
Alright, I got my outfit. I cannot stop dancing, Flower!
I can't stop dancing. I'm trying to find pointy ears. I'm looking for pointy ears, but I can't find any.
Alright, time to find my hat.
I'm looking for pointy ears. Oh my god, they're really hard to come by. I haven't seen any. I don't see any ears. Oh, no, no. Some girl copied me.
What is she? What?
She literally copied me to my outfit, to my hair.
She's following you!
She literally copied me. What the hell?
I'm gonna tell her stop copying my friend.